Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. By names, I'm Dr. Alonz Bruhan, the director IUIU Arua Campus. The contribution is so much enormous. One is that due to proximity of the campus and the closeness to the community, it provides the university education services to the people who could not afford to travel to Kampala, to travel to Mbale, to travel to Gulu, to travel to Lira, or maybe Western Uganda to access university education. So the contributions are: one, in terms of accessibility; two, in terms of affordability. IUIU institution is so community friendly, so that way it contributes to the training of the people in the region and beyond, and to provide them university services, especially the education, university education services. So that way you find the university has contributed a lot, and I think the alumni base for Arua campuses alone should now be reaching about 1,000 students who have passed through Arua campus to access university education. The uniqueness of some of the programs, I will go with examples. For example, we have the public administration program, the social work, social administration. These two programs have really contributed a lot, mostly in training the workforce. When you look at the nature of the students, the diversity of the students, majority of the students are civil servants. So you find that if you did a survey today or a graduate tracking today, you will find that majority of the civil servants, public administrators, have studied here. And these are these two programs have major elements on the public administration and social work. They are the ones which have contributed a lot to the training of the workforce for the district, especially in the local government. Say the parish chiefs, the sub-county chiefs, all those who work in the local governments in West Nile, the 13 districts of West Nile. You find majority of the people at low cadre level have studied their bachelor's degrees from IUIU Arua Campus. So that way, the uniqueness of those two programs have made it possible that the university contributes to the development of the community. You're well aware that the campus started in 2007 with the 40 students. Now we are talking about 795 students. You're well aware that the campus started with the two programs, that's education and the public administration. Now we have 80 programs. You're well aware that the campus started with mostly certificate and diploma programs. Now we have master's programs. We graduated our first cohort of master's business administration, public administration, 15 students. Now we have MPH. We have about 10 who have successfully defended, who are going to graduate. So over time, the program, the campus has grown. In terms of infrastructure, when we moved to these premises, you will find out that the ICT infrastructure is now in place. The buildings are there, under renovation, under the other infrastructures, including, I talked of the IT, I've talked about the buildings. The campus has gone ahead and acquired the land with a plan of constructing 6-story building, and I think the campus has really grown. In terms of staffing, the campus started with one director, and I think right now we have over 20 full-time staff at various levels, various cadres. So I think the campus has grown over time. First, the relationship between the university and the community is very good. The will from the community is there. One area the university needs to address is the sciences. There already calls, for example, when we went for the health camp, which was, I think, last year in Yumbe, the LC5 of Yumbe, Honorable Asiku, made it clear, director, that we needed a nursing school. IUIU should extend a nursing school to Yumbe district. Being predominantly a Muslim district, they wanted IUIU to extend the nursing school there. When the medical students and the Faculty of Health Sciences and Habib Medical School visited Yumbe in the second health camp, there was that need that Islamic University in Uganda should also deploy its interns, the students, to Yumbe Regional Referral Hospital. And with that, I think those are areas where we can intervene, have a nursing school of Islamic University in Uganda in the region where we can support the community, because the community here, they look for those services of sciences. They go very far. If you go to many campuses, if you go to Kaboja, you will at least find a sizable number of students coming from this region going to those campuses. And bringing it down here would make education very affordable for the community. So through sciences, university joining the sciences programs here, and then you'll find that university will be contributing to the community. I mean, this my students, we have students of needy. We have students of needy. We have partners who provide scholarships, and students are benefiting from them. An example is Direct Aid Society. We have students who are here benefiting from a Direct Aid Society scholarship through the campus, those who are in needy. We have students who are benefiting through the IIIT, which gives scholarships to the university, and also the community is benefiting from them. And moreover, you find that overall, you find that the tuition of Islamic University in Uganda is really very, very affordable. It's very, very affordable. The experience here to me is that you see that affordability has made the university to be accepted and say enormous. And two, at the campus level, IUIU is a university that does not harass students so much compared to other universities where I have worked. At least here the environment is so students friendly. Though they talk about the zero balance, but if you come and look at this zero balance comes later when in other universities in the middle of the semester, you be immediately after registration, you fail, you can end up being in a progressive charges. Are you saying the charges there, late payment charges can be progressive, but which is not the case here. So here a student will study as they look for the money until that time of exams. And when the time of exams comes, if you cannot afford, university still can look into it. So in terms of economics of payment, the university is really very, very flexible compared to other universities. In terms of overall cost of education, I think Islamic University in Uganda has the lowest costs. Yeah, I want to start by saying that Islamic University in Uganda has come here for you. We have come here very much understanding the economic conditions, the conditions of the people of West Nile and Uganda at large. No wonder our motto is bridging the communities. You see, that has a lot of things. So IUIU Arua Campus is here. We are ready to receive you. Bring your children, bring your brothers, let them come and study with us. We are flexible, we can understand your situation. Because one of the reasons why the campus was brought here in 2007 was to bring it closer to the communities in West Nile. First of all, the university was supposed to be here. If the politics of the day, the political situation of the day had permitted, the university was supposed to be here. So indirectly, the university has come back home and has come back home to you. There was supposed to have been this was going to be called a district university, by the way. In the plan of 1978, it was going to be a district university. So the district university is back here. We have very flexible programs for you. We have flexible ways of training. We have the mature age. Please come for the mature age to access university education. We have the HEC or HIP, because the names have been changing. We have it to help you access university education. We have friendly environment. We can understand the situation in which you are, because we are one of you. So I welcome you to Islamic University in Uganda, particularly Arua Campus, where the program is not here. We coordinate with the sister campuses, and you go and study there. You see, if you go to females campus and the student is stuck, and you come and tell me here, Dr. Leonzi, my daughter is stuck in females campus, I think I can pick a phone and call Professor Medina, the director of females campus, and say, a parent is here with me, there is this, because we have ever done this. We have been coordinating with the Kampala campus over children who are from Arua, and they have been helped. I think we are a very good conduit for you to enter Islamic University in Uganda. The gateway is Arua Campus. That's what I could say. We are looking at that first. We are thinking of promoting sciences. You know, that's one way to go. We are thinking of promoting sciences. That's among our programs. We pray that one day Habib Medical School will also have a campus here, a center here. Two is we are looking forward to the development of the infrastructure that supports the teaching of our students, to provide quality education. And then three, apart from that, we needed to develop, we are looking at developing our staff. For a university to be a center of academic excellency, you needed to promote and develop your staff. So Arua Campus right now, we're in that direction. A couple of higher degrees, we have now acquired them, and we have a couple of staff who have enrolled for higher degrees. And when I talk of higher degrees, that is now masters, the postgraduate programs. We are promoting that. And then a partnership with the other universities, which are partnered with the Islamic University in Uganda, University of Lahore, Bauchi, and so on. That is what we are targeting. Then the development of research. I remember in the recent budget committee, funds have been allocated for research and innovation. That's the direction also to go. Yeah, and also the development of skills training. That's what we are looking at. Inshallah, when Faculty of Engineering takes off, the thinking is that it will be having branches or technical institutes which will be feeding into the Faculty of Engineering. And Arua Campus has a lot of land, can get access to land. So when we get access to land, we can promote Faculty of Agribusiness here. I think we are really fit into that. Then science and technology. Okay. Yes.